If you go to Google Gemini and select the Create Image option to activate Nano Banana Pro, simply use this prompt and replace the brand name with your own. I'm using KFC as the example here. After you hit Generate, Nano Banana Pro creates this mind-blowing curved edge 3D anamorphic display ad. Just look at that depth and realism. Nano Banana Pro absolutely nails the 3D anamorphic effect. Now, before we move ahead, in the previous Nano Banana Pro tutorial, you learned how to generate viral blueprints and 3D miniature style images, and I received a lot of comments asking for part 2. So let's continue this series with part 2. If you upload your own image in Nano Banana Pro, and then use this prompt, simply replacing the placeholders like the title, tagline, and signature inside the square brackets and hit the send button, you can feature yourself inside a curved edge 3D display board. Just like this. Seeing yourself inside a 3D anamorphic billboard is next level. Nano Banana Pro makes it look unbelievably real. Now again, if you upload your own image and use this prompt, simply replacing the brand name with your desired brand, then you can feature yourself inside a curved edge 3D anamorphic display ad, just like this. This looks straight out of a real billboard campaign. Next, if you use this prompt and simply replace Albert Einstein with your desired famous personality, then hit the send button. Nano Banana Pro will create a character capsule of that personality, just like the capsule shown here. This capsule looks insanely polished. Using the same prompt and just replacing the character's name, I've also generated capsules for Donald Trump, Narendra Modi, and Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, Christmas is very near, and if you want to create something special for this Christmas, simply use this prompt in Nano Banana Pro and replace city with your desired city name. For this example, I'm using Paris. Hit the Generate button and Nano Banana Pro will do its magic, creating an amazing Christmas city book that you can share with your friends this holiday season. This looks like a magical Christmas story brought to life. And continuing this creative flow, if you're a movie fan, you're going to love this next one. Simply use this prompt. Create an image about your Interstellar, retold through a series of Polaroid photos pinned to a corkboard. Each photo captures a key moment with simple captions below. Arrange the photos in a loosely chronological path across the board, using colored strings to connect events and characters. Light the scene warmly to evoke nostalgia. Include incidental details, coffee cup rings, paper clips, handwritten notes for authenticity. Or you can simply replace Interstellar with your desired movie name and hit the send button. Nano Banana Pro will instantly transform your favorite film into a mind-blowing movie storyboard. And honestly, I was completely blown away by this result. And keeping the creativity rolling, if you're someone who loves cars, then just use this prompt and replace BMW 2 Series Grand Coupe with the name and model of any car you want. Hit the Generate button, and within a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro will create an insane 3D holographic car blueprint that you are definitely going to love. This holographic blueprint looks straight out of a futuristic design lab. Nano Banana Pro absolutely crushed it. Next, simply use this prompt and replace the famous personality with anyone you want. For this example, I'm using one of my all-time favorite iconic scientist, Albert Einstein, and after hitting the Generate button, Nano Banana Pro creates this beautiful notebook-style ballpoint pen illustration. This looks exactly like a hand-drawn sketch from an artist's notebook. The pen texture is unbelievably realistic. Next, if you use this prompt and simply replace Steve Harrington from Stranger Things with your desired fictional or styled personality, and replace zapiwala with your own signature, then hit send. Nano Banana Pro will design an amazing 2026 premium calendar featuring your chosen character, just like this. This looks like a professionally printed calendar poster. The cinematic lighting and layout are unbelievably clean. Now, if you upload your own image and simply use this prompt, replacing zapiwala with your own signature name and hit the Generate button, Nano Banana Pro will create a mind-blowing 2026 calendar featuring your own photo, and it looks absolutely stunning with this black theme. This looks like a premium designer calendar. Next, again, if you upload your image to Nano Banana Pro and use this prompt, just replace the signature with your own name and hit the generate button. Nano Banana Pro will create a creative portrait of you with miniature clones, exactly like this. This looks like a full editorial concept photo shoot. The miniature clones add such a fun, cinematic twist. Now, again, if you upload your own image and use this exact prompt, then hit the send button, Nano Banana Pro will generate a full sticker set of your own photo in just a few seconds. This sticker pack looks so clean and expressive. Nano Banana Pro turns your photo into a full emoji style set instantly. Next, if you use this prompt and replace city with your desired city name, for this example, I am using Sydney, then simply hit the generate button, and Nano Banana Pro will create a miniature of Sydney City in just a few seconds. This looks like a premium collectible model. The tiny details and glossy textures make it feel unbelievably real. Continuing the miniatures, if you use this prompt and replace the brand name with your desired brand name. For this example, I'm using KFC and hit the generate button. Then in just a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro will generate an adorable miniature KFC restaurant. This tiny restaurant model looks insanely detailed. Nano Banana Pro makes miniatures feel like real collectible toys. Next, you can use this prompt and replace Pokemon with your desired cartoon character, then hit the generate button. Wait for a few seconds, and bingo, Nano Banana Pro will generate a plush toy of your selected cartoon character, just like this Pokemon example. This plush looks so real, you could almost pick it up. Now, if you use this prompt and replace the object you want to use in the logo, for this example, I am using music headphone, then replace the brand slogan with your own slogan, and replace the color description with your brand color, and also replace the brand name with your own brand. And finally, hit the send button. Then, in just a few seconds, Nano Banana Pro will craft an amazing professional level logo for your brand, just like this one. This looks like a real agency crafted logo. The typography and shape integration are unbelievably clean. Continuing the creativity, next if you use this prompt and replace Elon Musk with your favorite famous personality, then hit the generate button. Nano Banana Pro will do its magic, and bingo. In just a few seconds, it will generate character toys of your selected personality, just like this one. This looks like a premium handcrafted plush collectible. Now, if you're an AI enthusiast, then simply use this prompt and replace character with your favorite personality. Again, I am using Albert Einstein, then fill all the label placeholders and send it to Nano Banana Pro. In just a few seconds, you will get this human-robot version, which is absolutely mesmerizing. The split human-robot design looks insanely futuristic. The glowing circuit details are on another level. And if you watch till here, don't forget to hit the like button. Let's target 2,500 likes on this video. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet, and comment part 3 if you want the next part. Now, a big shout out to our first member, Kevin Dion, who became a pro member. You can also join the channel membership to enjoy exclusive benefits like shout outs and full access to all the prompts ready to copy and use. And if you missed part 1 of this series, make sure to check it out.